Do you get migraine headaches and would you like an all-natural recipe to fix them? Well, here, check this out. Okay, so this is a very easy recipe. There's only 3 herbs in this, and every one of the herbs in this particular recipe, even the FDA acknowledges, has benefits for people with migraines. So if you get true migraines, here's a very quick recipe for you. You're going to take 2 parts of feverfew herb. Feverfew is known, it's a vasodilator, so it'll actually open up the blood vessels and allow for better blood flow through your body. And the FDA has even acknowledged that this is a great herb to use for migraines. Now, oftentimes, feverfew is okay if you use it, but if you use it in conjunction with skullcap, feverfew and skullcap, that works really well as well because this improves the blood flow to your brain. This helps to alleviate a lot of that pressure and buildup. Now, the third herb that I'm going to add to this is going to be ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is also a vasodilator. It'll help to open up the blood vessels and allow for better blood flow, but it will also it makes the blood less sticky, so it's not going to stick around as much. It doesn't thin your blood, but it does make it less sticky. So here's the recipe. We're going to do 2 parts of feverfew. So if you're measuring it out by the teaspoon, it'd be 2 teaspoons of feverfew. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons of feverfew, 2 parts skullcap. So again, if you're using teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of skullcap. If you're using half a cup, two half cups. And then you're going to use 1 part ginkgo biloba. So if you're doing teaspoons, you're going to do 2 teaspoons of feverfew, 2 teaspoons of skullcap, 1 teaspoon of ginkgo biloba. You're going to mix them up really well so they're very well blended. And then your actual serving size is going to be 1 teaspoon. So that particular blend at 1 teaspoon of, 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons, and 1 teaspoon will give you 5 cups of tea. That's the way that particular math should work out. Now the good thing about this is it's very versatile. You can use it as a tea if you really want to. You can measure out larger quantities and turn it into a tincture and then have it as a tincture and use it that way as a liquid. Or you can even powder it up and turn it into capsules. It all is really what works best for you. Once I get my capsule making machine in, I'll actually show you how to make capsules and encapsulate your herbs and then how to use them from there. But until then, we'll just stick with teas. So if you have any more questions about this particular process, just let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do to get it answered for you as quickly as humanly possible, and that way it's easily understood. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.